So here we are in Timber League. We just went to the church. It was burned down by Cromwell's army. I think it was 1641. We're in the park.
During the English Civil War.
Yeah, it was burned down during the English Civil War. Do you think they know? Because Cromwell's army was
Fighting against the Cavaliers of King Charles I. Whose side would you have been on in that war?
Whose side would you been on? I don't know.
Well, it's always a good debate question because the Cromwell's army, the Roundheads, they were right because they wanted Parliament to have a say, but they were a bit boring. They didn't have any fun at all. King Charles's family, they were wrong because they believed that the king should be in control, in charge of everything, but they were also good fun. So whose side would you have been on? Right or wrong?
That's actually quite a hard question to answer if you want me. So, Cromwell's side.
Maybe we need to do a bit more investigation of the Civil War, come back and do another video in the future.
Yeah. So, well, I'm in the pub. Well, Dad, you're like 56, so you're allowed to drink beer.
I'm only 27, dude. Don't tell all your fans that I'm 56. Don't lie on YouTube. It's contrary to YouTube regulations.
But it's not in the terms of selfness. Like, I'm not over 18. So before I say, what are you doing here? I'm doing this because I feel like to. Well, it's not that.
Here are the boys in the friary.
I look so bored.
You look very cold.
Yeah. Like, I'm fine in this warm place. Another picture. I don't know what I do, but